I first met Adrienne, I want to say about 15 years ago. We attended the American Institute of Interior Design together. Dale and I had been talking about remodeling for quite a long time, probably about a decade. We decided we didn't want to do it until we could do it all. And when the time came, she was the first person we didn't even interview anybody else. We knew that we wanted her.
So the first time we met, I was sold by the confidence I heard and the ability to do what I'm looking for. It was a flawless operation. I felt, and I'm proud to brag to my friends, we didn't argue once over anything of the thing because of Adrienne.
It was a team effort with her and our contractors and ourselves, and we got to be involved in a level that we enjoyed.